Hello all, welcome to Preeti Saran channel. What does skincare means? Skincare means keeping basic care of skin, or it is a practice that supports skin integrity, enhance its appearance and relieve skin conditions. Skincare for oily skin. Now what does that means? Human skin has different types like dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin and normal skin. There is a gland located under the skin surface called sebaceous gland. When this sebaceous gland do the overproduction of sebum, the skin becomes oily. Now taking care of this kind of skin called skincare for oily skin. So, start your oily skincare routine with a mild water based cleanser that removes dirt and other impurities without clogging your pores. Since oily skin is more prone to acne and breakouts, the best cleanser for oily skin is one that contains salicylic acid. Here I am sharing two face cleanser for oily skin. Number 1 is Neutrogena Deep Clean Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. Benefits of this cleanser are: this cleanser washes and dissolves dirt, oil, and makeup, helps remove dead surface cells for fresher and healthier looking skin, formulated for normal to oily skin. It is a oil free and alcohol free cleanser. Dermatologist tested, contains salicylic acid, improves the look and feel of the skin. Number 2 is Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. Benefits of this face wash are: this face wash deeply cleanses away all the dirt, grime, and dead skin from your face. Rich in antioxidant green tea, helps in controlling sebum production, makes your skin acne free, contains glycolic acid, helps in brightening the second step should be toning of skin. Toner preps your skin and enables it to absorb more active ingredients from the products you apply afterwards. Plus, it minimizes the appearance of pores and refine your skin texture. But if you have oily skin, you may especially benefit because toner goes the extra mile to clean out and close up pores. Here I am sharing two best toner for oily skin. Number 1 is Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. Benefits of this toner are: it is an alcohol free toner, contains green tea extracts, effective in fighting acne and blemishes. Green tea extracts help stop the formation of new acne, contains glycolic acid. Glycolic acid helps remove dead skin cells and it works for enlarged pores. The number 2 toner is the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Mattifying Facial Toner. Benefits of this toner are: this toner is infused with potent tea tree oil, helps clear blemished skin, control oiliness without stripping skin of essential moisture, leaves skin refreshed and purified, gives skin a clearer look, helps remove excess oil and impurities. Number 3 should be sunscreen. This step is essential for every skin type. For oily skin, try a mineral based product that absorbs oil. Here I am sharing two best sunscreen for oily skin. Number 1 is Liquid Oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen for oily, sensitive and acne prone skin. Benefits of this sunscreen are: this sunscreen is advanced UVA UVB filters for low penetration. It is good for oily, sensitive and acne prone skin. It is non-comedogenic, dermatologically tested, non-greasy matte finish, single application goes long protection, SLS and paraben free, oxybenzone and OMC free cosmetical formulation. Number 2 is Lactocalamine Sunsilk Matte Look Sunscreen. Benefits of this sunscreen is: this sunscreen comes with superior sun protection sunblock SPF 50, triple protection from harmful UVA and UVB rays, unique water-based sunscreen lotion, lightweight, quick absorbing, non-oily and non-streaky, and enriched with kaolin clay and lemon extract, dermatologically tested, and it is a paraben-free product. Step number 4 should be moisturize. The best moisturizer for oily skin is one which is oil-free, silicone-free and hydrates your skin from the inside out without getting your oil glands into overdrive. So here I am sharing two moisturizer for oily skin. Number 1 is Lotus Herbals Alpha Moist Alpha Hydroxy Skin Renewal Oil-Free Moisturizer. Benefits of this moisturizer are: this moisturizer has an oil-free formula, delivers intense nourishing moisturization, non-greasy formula which absorbs easily into your skin, doesn't cause breakouts, makes skin soft and supple, loaded with natural goodness of almond oil, aloe vera and basil leaf. The milk enzyme in the composition helps in rejuvenating skin. This moisturizer also has great anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Number 2 is Requil Oil-Free Mattifying Moisturizer. Benefits of this moisturizer are: oil-free moisturizer, water-based gel formulation, good for oily, sensitive and acne-prone skin, reduces oily shine on face, provides long-duration matte look, clinically proven actives, reduces pore size on face, and it is non-comedogenic. Hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, then please like the video, share with your friends, and thank you for watching.